The 2V0-41.23 exam is designed to thoroughly evaluate your knowledge and skills in the realm of VMware NSX environments. With 70 questions, it encompasses various formats including multiple choice, multiple selection, multiple choice, hot area, point and click, drag and drop, and matching. This diversity ensures a comprehensive assessment of your abilities. The latest VMware 2V0-41.23 exam dumps questions are useful in your preparation. 1. Which two of the following features are supported for the standard NSX application platform deployment? Choose 2. A. NSX intrusion detection and prevention. B. NSX intelligence. C. NSX network detection and response. D. NSX malware prevention metrics. E. NSX intrinsic security. 2. Which is an advantages of AL2 VPN in an NSX4X environment? A. Enables multi-cloud solutions. B. Achieve better performance. C. Enables VM mobility with re-IP. D. Use the same broadcast domain. 3. An NSX administrator wants to create a TLER0 gateway to support equal-cost multipath (ECMP) routing. Which failover detection protocol must be used to meet this requirement? A. Bidirectional forwarding detection (BFD). B. Virtual router redundancy protocol (VRRP). C. Beacon probing (BP). D. Host standby router protocol (HSRP). 4. What should an NSX administrator check to verify that VMware Identity Manager integration is successful? A. From VMware Identity Manager, the status of the remote access application must be green. B. From the NSX UI, the status of the VMware Identity Manager integration must be enabled. C. From the NSX CLI, the status of the VMware Identity Manager integration must be configured. D. From the NSX UI, the URI in the address bar must have locanfetch part of it. 5. What can the administrator use to identify overlay segments in an NSX environment if troubleshooting is required? A. VNI ID. B. Segment ID. C. Geneve ID. D. VN ID. 6. An administrator has deployed 10 edge transport nodes in their NSX environment, but has forgotten to specify an NTP server during the deployment. What is the efficient way to add an NTP server to all 10 edge transport nodes? A. Use transport node profile. B. Use the CU on each edge node. C. Use a node profile. D. Use a power CU script. 7. Which two statements are true about IDS signatures? Choose 2. A. Users can upload their own IDS signature definitions. B. An IDS signature contains data used to identify known exploits and vulnerabilities. C. An IDS signature contains data used to identify the creator of known exploits and vulnerabilities. D. IDS signatures can be high-risk, suspicious, low-risk and trustworthy. E. An IDS signature contains a set of instructions that determine which traffic is analyzed. 8. An NSX administrator has deployed a single NSX manager node and will be adding 2 additional nodes to form a 3-node NSX management cluster for a production environment. The administrator will deploy these two additional nodes and cluster VIP using the NSX UI. What two are the prerequisites for this configuration? Choose two. A. All nodes must be in separate subnets. B. The cluster configuration must be completed using API. C. NSX Manager must reside on a Windows server. D. All nodes must be in the same subnet. E. A compute manager must be configured. 9. What needs to be configured on a TLER0 gateway low make NSX Edge services available to a VM on a VLAN-backed logical switch? A. Downlink interface. B. VLAN uplink. C. Loopback router port. D. Service interface. 10. When configuring OSPF on a TLER0 gateway, which three of the following must match in order to establish a neighbor relationship with an upstream router? Choose 3. A. Naming convention. B. MTU of the uplink. C. Subnet mask. D. Address of the neighbor. E. Protocol and port. F. Area ID.